Hey guys, if you're getting this warning pop-up while installing XAMPP every time you select a folder and click next, don't worry, it's very easy to fix. This happens because XAMPP requires an empty folder for installation. If the folder already contains files or folders, you'll get the message saying the selected folder is not empty. To fix it, simply open File Explorer and create a new empty folder anywhere on your computer. You can name it anything you want. Now go back to the XAMPP. Once you do that, the warning will disappear and you'll be able to continue the installation without any issues. That's it guys. I hope this quick tutorial helped you.